Shandong Mailian Packaging Technology Company, Ltd. In a dazzling manner in this vibrant entrepreneurial wave. Deducting your own wonderful era. Shandong Mailian Packaging Technology Company, Ltd. spent $130 million. It covers an area of new workshop, office building, R/U0026D building, etc. to 70,000 square meters. Based on years of use in the protective film industry, Shandong Mailian Packaging takes innovation as its driving force. To provide customers with a new generation of packaging solutions, the pursuit of near-perfect quality and service. Let Shandong Mailian Packaging become a strategic partner of many domestic enterprises and brands. The sales network has grown. Products have been unanimously recognized by customers at home and abroad. The company also supports the National Belt and Road Plan in the future set up factories in Southeast Asia. Strengthen the upgrading of industrial chain, make Chinese brands on the world stage. In order to quickly adapt to the changing consumption trend, create personalized brand image. Shandong Mailian Packaging introduced advanced clam high-speed coater production line and multicolor high-speed printing equipment. And equipped with advanced testing equipment and fine quality inspection higher than industry standards. To ensure high-quality products with new technology. Realize flexible automatic production, breeding products with more market competitiveness. Meet various needs of customers. Packaging no longer brings consumers the same visual fatigue but intelligent, colorful and distinctive works of art. Innovation and cultivation value also lead to the future. Shandong Mailian Packaging actively builds a blueprint for consumer data, design a comprehensive marketing plan according to customer needs. Through various interactive marketing online and offline, IP marketing and other modes crack sales pain points. It is estimated that the output will exceed 100,000 tons in the next 2 years, successfully break through in the whirlpool of the times. To meet the market economy needs more quickly, Shandong Mailian Packaging actively expands its business scope. Hand in hand with Shandong Jiarui New Materials Company, Limited Lini Jiarui Thermal Power Company, Ltd. Shandong Top Ever International Trade Company, Ltd. Achieve an all-round and multi-field span. March towards group enterprises. Confident life for 200 years. It will be 3,000 miles of accumulated water. Shandong Mailian Packaging Technology Company, Ltd. Along the direction of internationalization, specialization and intelligence. Strutting high and triumphant to meet new challenges, create a better future.